Hi, hello, welcome to Mass Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. How did you celebrated Sankranti? I hope you are celebrated very nice and you enjoyed a lot. I think so. Okay. Now coming to the point. In this video, I am going to explain SA1 summative assignment SA1 part B bit paper. I am going to explain. This is the bit paper of one of my student. Here see, first one, the correct equation form for the following figure is equation form. See here, spoon figure is given. For that, total length of a spoon 15 centimeter, the length of the head of the spoon here to here we can call head. Okay, that x centimeter given. Okay, next here, the length of the hand of the spoon 11 centimeters given, right? Now we need to write the equation form. How to get equation? Very simple. The total length of the spoon is equal to sum of these two lengths, right? Now x plus 11 is equal to 15, right? So where it is having x plus 11 is equal to 15, that option A. Okay, next, value of 0.76 into 1000 is what? Here we should do the calculation for that. How we can do? See, value of this one, no? So let us take these numbers, and this decimal number you can change into rational form, p by q form. How we can change? See, decimal point, how many digits are from the right side? How many digits after decimal point is there? 2 digits. 1, 2. 2 digits after decimal point is there. If you remove the decimal point, the number as it is you should write divided by how many digits are there, that many zeros we should write. So it will becomes 100 into here 1000 as it is. Now numerator and denominator, two zeros are common, we can do the cancellation. Okay, now remaining number is 76 into 10. Okay, 76 into 10 if you multiply will get 760. Okay, now 760, which option it is there? Option B. So you can keep the option B. Now next question, sum of ages of Ramesh and his son is 45 years. If the age of Ramesh is 34 years, then age of his son is how many years? Very simple. This also we should write the solution, then only we'll get the answer. Let the age of Ramesh x years and his son age is y years. Let us take. According to the sum, that sum of ages given 45 years. Sum means addition. So x plus y is equal to 45. And in that sum also given age of Ramesh given 34 years. So that x 34 years plus y is equal to 45. Now we should find out the age of his son, Ramesh's son. Okay, that is y. Therefore y is equals to transpose of plus 34 will becomes minus 34. So 45 minus 34, 11 years. Y is equal to 11 years. Okay, if you do the subtraction, very simple, 45 minus 34. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So 11 years. Therefore, the age of Ramesh son, okay, 11 years. So 11 where it is? Option B. Okay, next question. Here the set of integers are denoted by, set of integers we can denote it by letter I or Z. Set of integers we can denote it by letter I or Z. Okay, so here I not given in any option, but Z is given, so you can select the option C. Next, 1 by 4 shaded part in the following figure. So 1 by 4 means shaded parts by total parts, no? Shaded parts how many? 1. Total parts 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4 means this figure we can take. So option A. Next, z by 8 is equal to 3. Then what is z value? Very simple, do the cross multiplication. Z is equal to transpose of division will becomes multiplication. So 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. So 24 is there in the option B. Okay, next here something number is given, product into 0 also given. Okay, if any number multiplied by 0, always 0 only. Okay, so simply by seeing this value we can write that product is 0. So option number D. Now 25th one, supplementary angles of 70 degrees. So here supplementary means sum of any two angles is 180 degrees, right? So here one angle is given, remaining angle, second angle we need to find out. How to find? Simple, from 180 you can subtract 70. Okay, 8 minus 7 1. So here 1 as it is, so 110. Why? Because why we are subtracting from 180 only, why not 90? Why? Because here supplementary they mentioned, supplementary in the sense 180 we should take. Okay, so your answer is 110. That is option B. Option B. Okay, next here, next question, 2 by 3rd part of a cake is distributed, then remaining part of the cake is what? 2 by 3. So total cake, let us take 3 by 3. For easy calculation, whatever denominator is there, that denominator whole we can consider. 1 we can consider total cake, whole means 1, no? So 1 we can take, otherwise 3 by 3 also we can take. 3 by 3 in the sense 1 only, no? So 3 by 3 total cake. From this total cake you can subtract distributed part. How much distributed? 2 by 3 part distributed. So you can subtract, so remaining cake we will get, right? So here like fractions means directly numerator subtraction we should do. So 3 minus 2 1, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, option number C. Okay, next to 27th one, here something figure is given, number line. Above representation of number line can be written as what? Here 0 to 1 means 1 unit, right? Here 1 2 3 4. So here 1 plus here 4. So 1 plus 4 we can take, no? So option number B. Okay, this is the part B of 7th class SCA1. Okay, I hope you understood. You can take the screenshot. Once again I am showing that part B paper. This is useful for you. This is the paper of 2021 part B. Okay, thank you.